Let's learn the steps required in conversion of decimal fractions in base 10 to other bases. But before we start, let's look at what decimal fractions are. Decimal fractions are decimal numbers that can be written as fractions with denominators in powers of 10. For example, you could have 3.2. Why? Because 3 points can be written as a fraction 32 over 10. The denominator here, 10, is a power of 10. So 3.2 is a decimal fraction. Another example, 6.25, which can also be written as fraction 625 over 100. And the denominator here is a power of 10. 10 raised to the power of 2 is going to give us 100. So these are examples of decimal fractions. Now let's look at the steps required in converting decimal numbers like this to other bases. Let's say we are required to convert to base x. How do we go about that? We have numbers like this and we are required to convert to a base x. Now the first thing we do is we split the decimal fraction we are given into the whole number part and the decimal part. For instance, we have 3.2 here. The whole number part is the 3. The decimal part is the 0.2. 6.25 we have here. The whole number part is the 6. The decimal part is the 0.25. So the first step, split the decimal fraction into the whole number part and the decimal part. Then convert separately. That's the first step. The next step, we convert separately. So to convert the whole number part follow the steps required to convert all numbers in base 10 to other bases. You can feel free to go back to the previous lesson and look at how we convert all numbers in base 10 to other bases. Now for the decimal part, to convert the decimal part, follow the steps below. The first step, you multiply the decimal part by the base x, since we are converting to a base x. Now the next step, now after this step, we take the result that was gotten in this first step, as the starting point of the next step, and repeat until you arrive at 0 or a periodic number. The periodic number here means a recurring number. Let's say you get 3 in the first step, you did it again and you're getting 3, so we can stop at that point. Now after arriving at 0, a periodic number, the next step, combine the digits from the top. Now the step D, combine the results in step B and C. Combine the final results in step B and C. And that's how to convert decimal fractions in base 10 to other bases. Thank you.